welcome guys. So this is going to be the final test of the SG900. As you saw from my last video, or the one before that, just check up on the screen up there. Yeah, you fire this at a certain height and what it does is it just plummets to the ground for no reason at all. Completely out of control, so not sure why, haven't done anything to it. I've done all my calibrations and all the hoo-ha, so I'm going to have another flight, and I'm not going to use my phone. I've had some advice from some other YouTubers, thanks heaps for that, suggested trying it without the phone, see if it's the interference from my stupid phone. So we're going to have a crack at that. Put the SD card in, battery fully charged. I've already done my spinnies and gyros and calibrations and all that hoo-ha, and I bought my trusty hammer, because if it doesn't work, I think I'm just going to smash it like that, because I'm very frustrated. Okay, she's fired up. Of course, because we don't have our phone, we also don't have our GPS capability, so this thing's going to fly all over the place. So it's just a matter of me keeping up in the sky long enough to see if it's going to stay there. Normally it takes about half a minute and it just plummets, so we'll soon find out pretty quickly, I think. Get the record going. I hope that's going. I've pressed the record. I've got no idea if it's recording. I hope it is. Okay, off we go. Ooh, crikey. So of course these aerials don't do anything. They're just basically just a phone holder. I won't go too high up, otherwise it's going to float away. You can see the GPS isn't really working. I won't try doing any silly stunts or flips, or I might just speed it up a bit though. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. That could be the problem. Well, that sounded very interesting, folks. Indeed. I think I've just found out the reason why it plummeted to the earth. It looks like we have a prop issue. In fact, yes we do. This one here. You still see inside there the cog? That one's spinning quite nicely, and I'm actually grabbing it. I think we better go in the workshop. Okay, SG900, tell me a story. What's the story here? What's going on with this, guys? Well, it looks like... Where are you? Good. I'm just looking at the gears in there. This one here's not really... She's not really touching at all, so I think we better have a look at that, see what's going on. I'm hoping this is a quick job. If not, there'll be some editing power happening as we speak. Pull that off of there. Okay, so it looks like this motor body here is bent and it's not contacting the gear properly. So whether the drone's smart enough to actually realise this and cut itself out, I'm not sure. Right, okay. That, yeah, the motor's actually gone kaputzi. Yeah, I'm putting money on the motor going kaputzi. So we've had a burnout. That could be why it was, yeah, smashing to the ground. Drop me a comment if this is the case, you think. I believe that if the tech picks up that there's a fault with the motor, it will automatically come down to protect itself. So what I think was happening was this motor, he was failing, and the brains of the outfit said, hey, we need to go down, we need to land, there's a problem. Right, well, I'll leave that off, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my hammer, I'm going to smash it off. No, I'm not really. I've actually got a spare one of these in another drone. So what I'm going to do is see if I can place it and get it flying again. This is a cool unit. Okay, well, hey, at least I'll sleep tonight knowing I think that may be the fault, so yeah, please let me know if you think that is the fault, as to why it's crashing down, and if it is because there's a problem with the motor. I'm smart enough to realise there's a problem coming up and then it lands, and I seem to call that. So, as always, thanks for tuning in, folks, much appreciated, and I'll, yeah, see you next time, probably in the workshop. Bye for now.